We have the biggest qualifying year so far. We have 53 athletes that have qualified for the Basehor-Linwood meet. I can't even begin to name all of them offhand, but we have 10 kids in particular that have a legitimate shot based on previous year's performance and what their total looks like to be able to be individual champs of their weight classes. Over 20 kids I expect to have an opportunity to medal top 3. We're talking about a meet that has last year had 37 schools and over 600 lifters, and they expect it to be even bigger this year. You know, the biggest thing that our goal is, number one, for kids to remain healthy, so they can continue to compete in other sports and whether it's off season or whatever it is. But the 3 lift totals that we've laid out for them for each of the lifts. But we have, like I said, 10 kids that have a chance of being champs. Blake Smith in his weight class, Marcus Jones, Marcus Jennings, Jason Willis, Bethany Elkins, Amanda Whitney, Zach Willis, Devin Hunter, Tucker Elkins. And then we have several others right there: Justice Shaw, Michaela Goins, Courtney Lewis, Nia Brown. Quite a few kids that have a chance of winning their weight class, but definitely should, if things go well, they should be in the medals. 15 individual meet records with an opportunity. The meet's been going on for about 7 years, but we have 3 guys that will squat over 500 pounds with a chance of setting the all-time meet record, and several kids hang cleaning over 300 that have a chance of setting the all-time meet record, and 3 lift totals as well. So we should see the first ever 200-pound female hang cleaner at a meet in the Missouri-Kansas area, and that would be Amanda Whitney, if she can pull that off on meet day. So a lot of exciting things for this meet, and we're really looking forward to it. And as a team, we've never placed higher than 3rd in this meet. Basehor-Linwood usually wins it, them and Topeka High. Basehor-Linwood's a Class 4A powerhouse. They won the Kansas State title for the last 4 straight years now for Kansas powerlifting, and so it'll be a tough meet, but we expect good things from our Belton Pirates.